All right, here, so there's not much pull. Now I'm gonna give it gas. All right, not much pull. Give me gas. Not much pull. Clutch is out. Giving it a little gas makes it louder. Clutch in, no sound. Clutch is out now. Giving it a little gas. Clutch in, no sound. Clutch is still in, just rolling freely backwards. No sound. But now, clutch out to climb up this little hill. Sound. Clutch out. Or in, rather. I'm sorry. No sound. And also when the clutch is in and there's no load, it doesn't make any noise either. So I'm backing up to this flat section to try and demonstrate that. Here we go. And first, all right, clutch is out. All right, no load. Did you hear that? Engine braking. It seems like even engine braking a little bit makes it make noise. All right, reverse. Clutch is coming out. I'm gonna give it some gas. I'm gonna push the clutch in. Still hear it a tiny bit with the clutch in. So you can see here the fluids that have been leaking out. I flipped this thing around to see if it was still leaking. Initially, this was under the power steering pump, and now this is. So obviously I've got a power steering fluid leak. You can see there's some fresh. So hopefully you can see under here now. I just sprayed everything down pretty thoroughly, but it's that inner CV right there that has been spraying out grease. And I sprayed most of it off, but you can still see some right there. And if you look at it, where is it? There it is. You can see there's like still some grease caked on there, but I can't find a tear in it. But yeah, you can see there's grease up in here from it. So that's what I'm concerned is making the squeak, but I don't know. And just to show around a bit more, maybe someone will see something. This is the front driver wheel. You know, there's that CV that's leaking, and I don't see like evidence of much on the skid plate. Like I said, just like high pressured this undercarriage. All right, and here we are underneath that, the leaky one. And yeah, you can see all that grease there that's slung out. But like I said, I've looked at it all around and I can't figure out where it's slung out from unless it's coming out from that little crack, which is, you know, a little bit of a separation, I guess. Here's looking more into the bottom of the engine. Pretty crappy footage. So